In the jungle, deep and wide, the animals are side by side. Here comes the elephant, so big and gray. He swings his trunk and leads the way. Come along, it's an animal parade. All around the world, the sounds they've made. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Join the rhythm, feel the beat. Next comes the monkey, quick and sly. He swings from trees way up high. He chatters and chatters with a funny sound, jumping and leaping all around. Come along, it's an animal parade. All around the world, the sounds they've made. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Join the rhythm, feel the beat. Now here's the lion with a mighty roar. He's the king who we all adore. With a golden mane and a powerful stride, he walks with pride, side by side. There's a bird that sings so sweet, and a rabbit with a hop-hop beat. The giraffe stretches oh so tall, while the fish swims and makes no sound at all. Last in line is the tiny ant, working hard, he never says I can't. Marching along with all his friends, together strong, the fun never ends. Come along, it's an animal parade. All around the world, the sounds they've made.